In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a filter in Jira. If you're new to Jira or looking to streamline your workflow, creating custom filters is a fantastic way to start. Filters in Jira allow you to focus on what's important by narrowing down the vast array of data into manageable segments. Whether you're tracking project progress or keeping an eye on specific tasks, a well-crafted filter can save you significant time and effort. Let's dive right into it. As soon as you're on your Jira dashboard, look to the left sidebar. This is your control panel for navigating Jira's various features. Go ahead and click on the Filters button, which is prominently displayed. This will take you to a new screen where you can begin setting up your personalized filter. Once you're on the Filters page, you'll want to click on the Search Work Items option. This feature allows you to search through the tasks and projects currently being tracked in Jira. Here, you have the opportunity to define your criteria more precisely. Consider what information is most relevant to you. Perhaps you want to focus on tasks due this week, issues assigned to a specific team member, or items flagged as high priority. Use the filter tools at your disposal to set these parameters. It's helpful to take a moment to think about what specific information will be most beneficial for your current needs. After setting your criteria, you'll want to solidify your efforts by saving your filter. Located at the top of the page, there is a Save Filter button. Clicking this will allow you to input a name for your filter, which is a vital step. Choose a name that's intuitive and descriptive, something that hints at the filter's purpose. This will be immensely helpful when you return to use it in the future, ensuring you can find it quickly and easily. Once saved, your filter won't just disappear into the ether. Instead, you'll find it conveniently located under the Filters section on the left sidebar. This makes it easy to access anytime you need it. Simply click on the filter name whenever you want to apply your saved criteria. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've created a custom filter in Jira that will make managing your projects smoother and more efficient. Filters are a powerful tool in your Jira toolbox, helping you cut through the noise and focus on what truly matters. I hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful and that you're now ready to tailor your Jira experience to better meet your needs. Thank you for watching, and happy filtering.